With the launch of the 2013 Dodge Dart, the Chrysler Group brings to the showroom a C-segment compact car that's not only fuel efficient, but aimed at going toe-to-toe in this second biggest segment in the country.
It's a segment that we as a company have been out of for a number of years. It's extremely competitive for quality, particularly reliability. We have a very extreme, I would say, target for the launch of this car in terms of reliability. And we've gotten all of the engineers and the supplier quality, people from purchasing, manufacturing engineers, everybody together to get on the same page and understand what's the target for this car and what are we going to have to do differently, what did we learn from all of the launches last summer, and what are we going to do differently in order to hit this really tough target.
Extensive testing at the company's Chelsea Proving Grounds in Chelsea, Michigan, one of several DART test sites across the country, helped double mileage testing on the DART to 8.5 million miles over road surfaces far more extreme in roughness and grade than any road conditions the average customer would normally encounter. The teams also subjected the DART to extreme temperature and humidity validations and added some new processes.
One of the latest things that we have now with our new alliance with our Fiat partners is that we're putting a more lateral loading into our testing. And so that new technique is something that's going to give us a more well-rounded product for our customer. Because we want the customer to be happy, not just when they get it out of the showroom floor. My job is to make sure that they're happy with it all the way through the life of the vehicle.
Another key target of durability and reliability is making sure everything on the DART, from seat comfort to doors to electronic devices, works first time, every time. Test drivers like these at the Reliability Test Facility in Auburn Hills, Michigan, spend day and night on the road making sure nothing gets overlooked.
In this place, these cars that we're driving, the drivers and a passenger actually have a script that they go through, and they operate all of the electronics on the car in a randomized way to poke the buttons in different sequences, try everything, connect everything. They connect their phones, they connect USB sticks, lots of things to try to see if there are issues with the electronics in the car. And when they find an issue, they log it. The engineers come over and we fix it.
The DART's quality achievements also reflect some good genes inherited from an overachieving Italian cousin.
The DART, the platform, if you will, is based on the Alfa Romeo Gulietta. We call it the CUS-wide platform. So what it is, it's an Alfa Romeo Gulietta that has been widened and made a little bit longer for the U.S. market. The leadership of the company really understands that if we don't build a quality product, we don't have any reason to exist, in the eyes of the customer. So we're doing things, we're making investments that maybe in the past we wouldn't have made. Even this building that we're sitting in is something that didn't used to exist. Obviously, a significant investment in people and time and resources, the vehicles that we actually use for the testing and so forth. But it's all aimed at making us competitive with the best in the market for quality, which will, drive our business success in the future.
Reporting for Chrysler Electronic Communications, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.